Welcome to MyGST Refund. Are you still doing everything by hand and wasting many hours every month? Don't worry, we will show you an easy and fast way. After login, go to the reconciliation section. Then click on IMS versus PR2. This is where your work starts. Click on Start New Reconciliation at the top. Here, we will select one option between GST in and PAN number. Let's choose GST in. After that, we need to select the GST number and click on Generate Report. Your report will be ready in a few seconds. Download it, then click on Reconciliation now. Now choose simple setting like number of days and report type. Upload your purchase register file. Click on Submit. The system will do all the hard work. Now you need to click on Map your column. Now match simple detail like document number, GST in, date and value. It's very easy and quick. Your report is ready. You can download it or click on View Summary to see everything. Now you can see everything clearly. Total invoices, matched data, missing data and differences. Click on everything to see more detail. Now your work is easy. Stop doing work manually and save your time. Start using MyGST Refund today.